Ruturaj Gaikwad, Akshar Patel leading their respective sides here for match number 18 of the Tata IPL for 2026 this evening. Ravi Shastri was in charge of the coin toss for us. It went in favour of Akshar Patel. He has decided to bowl first.
The boys in yellow, the opening pair tonight, Sanju, Samson, Ruturaj Gaikwad will look to give them off to a flyer.
See two changes in the Delhi side. Samir Rizvi comes into the official 11 for this game, and also coming into the side is Aqib Nabi, who had a magnificent first-class season, highest wicket taker.
Flip in place, immediate short third. We've got a deep backward point. Aqib with the ball in hand and a lovely drive, cover drive. This will test the outfield. Oh, brilliant. Superb work out in the deep. Fine enough, and fine enough for four. Fine as well, and I think that'll race away for four. Straight for four this time, beautiful from Sanju Samson. Pulls over top of mid-on and maybe just short. Gives himself some room, finds the gap. Boundary for Ruturaj Gaikwad. That's beautifully played. Sanju Samson on this occasion. By correlation, it doesn't look great. That is another superb shot.
Oh, lovely shot. Just played some fabulous cricket shots today. Oh, that's hammered. Oh, how good is that? That's up in the air, an opportunity, and it's taken.
15 of 18. CSK 62 for 1. Little on offer for spinners.
Pin pulled into the deep, this time into the gap.
First half century for Sanju Samson this season. He gets that single and gets to his half century. Yeah, fair enough. Ooh, trouble, trouble! Oh, this is close. Fumbled a few times, KL Rahul.
See, and not a bad little start.
This should be taken. No, it's not. It's not.
It's obviously a disappointing start to the after the timeout.
Natarajan. Yeah, too short, too wide. And he's gonna make him pay. It's in hand. Goes aerial. Is it long enough? Tristan Stubbs. No, it's Miller under it. No. Too long. That's glorious. That's a magnificent shot. Edge. Quite educated. Gone straight.
Reach over 100 in the first 6.
That's gone.
My goodness, that sounded good. Another 6 and another 50, his third in an IPL career. That's a biggie once more. Sliced. And beats the field at deep point. Up and away.
So Ayush Mhatre has left. They've asked him to retire. Shivam Dube, the big hitting left-hander. And he backs himself, he gets it past the infield. So it's 100 for Sanju Samson. His 4th in the IPL, but the 1st for CSK.
Appears to be a new dawn for CSK at the top of the innings.
52. Oh, cheeky. Classy. To Shivam Dube. Bang! You can see with the guard there. Oh, he's picked that up. That's high. It's handsome. Oh, clean. It's big. Hit straight back. and powerfully for 4. And hit straight back. And good piece of fielding. Will keep the batsman down to 2. But after 20 overs, the Chennai Super Kings have ended up with 212 for 2. And Sanju Samson finishes with 115 not out of 56. His first 100 for CSK. When they come out to bat, 213 is what is needed.
The confirmation. It is Akhil Hussain. He's come in place of Ayush Mhatre.
Throughout a majority of his career. Swings it away leg side, he'll pick up 4. Pretty good. I feel even better now. That has gone a long way.
I'll let him go.
Lovely timing and placement over the top of extra cover for 4. Turned away fine. There's a chase that the ball over the top, and 1 bounce for. Oh, same area, but even further, and use of the feet coming down the pitch this time. It's the first over. And that's gone away for 4 as well. KL Rahul in a mood. Wow, big from Patum Nasanka. Goes again, not as well timed. Might just land inside the fence and roll to the boundary for 4 this time.
Oh, goes over the top. Oh, what an effort. What an effort that is. Jumping in the air, pushing it back into play. Goes again. Easily put away. That's up in the air. And taken. He's a tall man.
18 of 10, 61 for 1 DC.
Taken. Khalil will be the most relieved.
Back in the dressing room, gone for 41 of 24. Good hand.
Oh, lovely shot. Oh, what a catch! First ball, that's brilliant. That ball was flying. Sarfraz takes the catch.
Yeah, the skipper gone for 1, 66 for 3 now, DC.
That's up. An opportunity again. Taken comfortably. He won't miss many, Brevis.
Rizvi gone for 6. DC has 76 for 4.
Sets himself. Sounded good. That's strong. And long too. The more spin. In the slot. Here in 6 matches. That's a fine looking shot.
Gone! That is a terrific delivery.
Miller goes for 17. 121 for 5.
Now we were talking about Ashutosh. Yep. The confirmation. There he is. Ashutosh out to bat in place of Mukesh Kumar. Impact sub.
Good body language.
Not this time. Good piece of timing from Ashutosh. This time it goes all the way.
Roll on that.
Oh, that's a powerful hit. That's a really good one. Is it long? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Is mistuted. This should be a wicket here. And that's Nu's first wicket of the season.
Ashutosh, 19, 149 for 6.
Oh, that's way up in the air. There should be another one. Oh, made it difficult for himself, but in the end, it's all right, because he grabs it. Gone for 4, Akib, 154 for 7.
Get that away to the boundary. Oh, that's well struck. Two is the call. And they'll get it. And a very good half century this for Tristan Stubbs. 50 of just 30. And he keeps them in the hunt.
Overton's done his side here.
Oh, that's gone. Hits extremely hard. It's taken. This time, Noor making no mistake.
What a night he's had. Stubbs gone for 60. It is 183 for 8.
That's in the air. Another one goes.
Kuldeep gone for 4, 185 for 9.
Final ball. Taken. So the Delhi Capitals bowled out for 189. They win by 23. They get their first points on the board. And it's their first win after 6 consecutive losses at Chepauk.
Yellow flags all over the ground. Yellow, as they call it. Fans are happy. Players are happy. They needed this. CSK is back.